All right, everybody, here's this property right off Memorial Street in Bixby, Oklahoma. It's on a 1.15 acre lot, 3-bedroom, 2 baths. It's about 1,700 square foot. Borrow on this, the balance on this is $376. The Zillow Valley gives it at $298. The BPO from the broker, from the bank beforehand, puts the property valued at $200, but there's a lot of upside on it right now. That I really think this property is probably closer to $400 if you put some work into it. Doesn't really need a lot of exterior work. Roof looks good. It just needs some TLC roof. I mean, the big lot cleanup. The previous owners put in a concrete culvert in there to help it with drainage, so it's not like a creek, but it's a got a 2-car garage, and kind of show you there's some really nice features on this property as we come in here. Obviously, the cosmetic stuff, people left a lot of junk in here, but you've got the dining room here. This goes over to the big kitchen. Nice cabinets. Obviously, we need new appliances. This is the breakfast nook. You see, it looks out over the pool. HUD went ahead and covered the pool up there for you. You got a shed in the back out there. You got a gazebo, obviously needs to be probably taken down and fixed. This goes into the laundry room. I would almost think you'd want to put a door into there, but there's no door there. This is the garage, a bunch of junk in it. All right. We'll go into the different bedrooms. This comes over here to the family room. Got a big, entertaining here. You got a big rock fireplace. Family room, kind of nice features. The ceiling fan, nice paint job. Next door neighbor did say this is flooded before. Water's come into here before, so you can kind of see a little bit of that. A little bit of dirt on the floor. This comes into the guest bathroom, shower, tub combo, toilet, 1 vanity, storage there. This goes over to one of the bedrooms here. So that closed the closet. So what's unique is I think the family converted this second bathroom or second bedroom into a freaking hot tub. That's exactly what they did. This is the Love Palace, ladies and gentlemen. You got the red lights up there, the heat lamps, the ginormous tub with with a closet there for you. So yeah, somebody got this hot tub hotel, nice ceiling fan, hot tub room there. That's going to be great. Then this is the master suite in here. Double side closets there for you. Storage there. Then you get into the bathroom, which is small shower, toilet. Nice features. When you're looking at the ceiling, there's no water leaks. It's important to see. The house is there's not cracks on it. This is just the big, you would want to pull this out to make it a true 3-bedroom, 2-bath. All right. But, I mean, really a cleanup job and some landscaping, new flooring. You had to get rid of this. This makes me think that is there anything below it with the vents in the ground? I don't think what they would do with a pool, though. Anyway, so you're out here in the patio. 2 patios here. So you see, got the pool here. Hey, that's Memorial Drive. Hey, look, you can order Chili's as takeout right across the street. And you got another part of the lot here. Trees, the shed there. Great neighbors. I just visited with a neighbor who's been here for years. He says his house has been vacant for 5 years. Look at the monstrosity tree right here. Look at that root on that thing. Man. I mean, there are pecan trees. There you go. You got your own pecan forest out here. So, a lot of stuff to do. I think there's some opportunity here. Zillow gives a value of $300 as is. BPO says $200. So I don't know. You'd want to get an inspector out here. Probably a lot of cleanup. Fix the pool. Mow it. Clean it up. And get rock and roll.